Yo guys, this is Sam and we're back with another module for the Vital VST. This time we're going to talk about the transpose snap, because this is one of the cool, unique features the Vital VST sports. So it's one thing that you certainly should have a look into. And we're just going to design a patch using that. So let's start with a wavetable. And let's listen to that wavetable. As always, wavetables, they want to be pitched down quite a bit. This is where you get the interesting timbres in many cases. Okay, so what I want to do... You can use this feature on anything. So the most simple one would be a triangle. So let's go with that. If you take that triangle and put it on the pitch, and then you go to transpose snap, this is basically all your notes. So whenever you click any of those, this is corresponding to the intervals and not, this is not a C. This is just like the first note of any scale, and you can punch in the notes of your scale. So if you're in minor, it would be, for example, like this. You have a minor third, and as you can see now, it is taking those two intervals and only pitching those two intervals, instead of, if you deactivate that, it is just behaving as a normal LFO. Like this, it's only going to the root note. And then so this is like a tritonus. Basically this 6 steps up from the root note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So depending on what you're doing in your sound, you should also change that. But it offers a really, really cool way to create all kinds of cool tonal sounds that are pitched in a way, but it's tonal. And you can also change that, of course. This is like a step sequencer. Actually, no, unfortunately not. I thought we could change the wave from the LFO, but of course we can't do that. I like that. So we're gonna just take a saw here. Which intervals? Yeah, 1, 3, and 6. And actually it should work if we could just go to global snap. One, 3, and... let's pitch this one down. Let's have a listen how this sounds with some distortion. Definitely a filter. I think it should be, maybe, let's put that down one more octave. Yeah, I don't like it with the distortion, but it's also like this digital sounding distortion from the Vital. Okay. We definitely need some macros. So let's try this one on the index. Maybe also a little bit of attack. Okay. I want to have a filter here because it's so harsh in the high frequencies. So I'm just going to pull that one on the filter, go for a negative modulation. We're going to call that one filter. Deactivate the global snap. Then okay, what macro do we want to use? Reverb maybe? Yeah, maybe some extreme reverb. We can go for that. Try it out. Maybe a little bit less. Gonna call this one reverb. But also, yeah. There's this unfortunate little blip in the very end. But okay, we're gonna live with that. Actually, multiband. Okay, we're gonna use another macro for this multiband. Gonna call it fat because it actually makes it more dense. And the last one will go to the chorus. Yeah, I actually like that on 4 instead of the 16. Okay. Pretty simple sound. Again. Okay, I'm gonna call that saw down seek. Well, let's just call it saw down sequence. This is minor third and tritonus. So the person knows the intervals. And that's it with this patch. I see you guys in the next module.